Hi, I'm Ashley LaPointe with the Southern Agents team, and welcome to my newest listing at 417 Latimer Lane. This stunning custom home is located on the 9th hole of the Springfield Golf Course and features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and comes in at just under 6,300 square feet. You'll notice the attention to detail the moment you walk in the door, with custom moldings throughout and a grand staircase entrance. Outdoor features a custom-shaped in-ground pool and hot tub surrounded by a gigantic travertine decking with stacked stone fireplace, pizza oven, and a covered dining area. This is an entertainer's dream. Downstairs, you'll find a fully finished walkout basement with guest suite, living room, secondary kitchen, and a space for a gym or game room. Springfield is a highly sought-after golf course community located in Fort Mill, South Carolina. Neighborhood amenities include clubhouse, gym, 3 pools, 6 tennis courts, pickleball, and so much more. If you're looking for a luxurious resort-style living with a quaint hometown feel, yet close proximity to Charlotte, this is your place. It's not just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. Thanks for checking out my latest listing in Springfield. See you soon.